Hey guys, here I am once again with another computer video, which is basically an acquisition. So I decided to get myself a computer that I could use Windows XP on. So I found one on eBay. So this is a Dell Optiplex 755. And even though I'm currently making a progress on it, installing XP. But I do have some plans for this computer, which I am going to look for at some point. I'm going to get an original Dell USB keyboard that's period correct and a USB mouse for a future video when I do showcase this computer up and running. Even though it's got a floppy drive, we're going to do a video where at some point where we're going to find a card reader that it does have the hookup for a card reader. So I'm going to basically replace the floppy drive with a card reader. Because Dell did offer an option where you can basically get a card reader in these mid to late 2000s Dell Optiplex. Even though this computer has a COA for Windows Vista Business, it's not like we'll be running Windows Vista no time soon on it. But when I got the computer, it had like 6 gigabytes of RAM and it was running CentOS. So I decided to downgrade the memory to 2 gigabytes because I wanted something for Windows XP. And I did replace the worn out 2032 CMOS battery. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is just a little announcement. And I will post the specs as well on the channel, so stay tuned and thanks for watching.